any makeup is applied, you want to make sure that your skincare is intact. It's very important to hydrate your face because then the makeup will sit beautifully on your face and it will not eat it up. So the first thing I'm going to do is apply a moisturizer. This is from Weleda. I love this product. It's super rich, so a small amount goes a long way. What I'm going to do is apply this much. The way I apply it is I put it in the pad of my hand like this, and then I press it onto my face, and then I slowly begin to massage. Now I use equal gestures on both hands so that I'm rubbing it evenly in the right way. So I'm just going to apply this. Make sure the skin is plump, and also don't forget your neck. And then around my eyes, I like to go in with some eye cream. This is from Murad, and it's called Hydrant Intense Hydrodynamic Moisturizer for the eyes. And I always go in with my ring finger, and I apply it down in the orbital bone right here. Eye cream is so important because especially when you age, you start to get wrinkles, and you don't want any foundation or any concealer to sit inside the creases of around your eyes. So what I like to do first is I like to use my cream products because I want to color correct under my eyes because I have a lot of dark circles. So before I go in with a mineral powder, I'm going to color correct and conceal. The concealer I'm going to use today is L'Oreal Infallible Pro Concealer. It is more than a concealer. The shade I'm going in is with Amber. It's a little darker than my skin tone. It's got a warmer tone, and the more warm you go in, the better the dark circles get canceled. If you do decide to go with a lighter shade concealer, then I really suggest that you use an orange color corrector just to bring a little bit of warmth into your light concealer. But I like to just use one step and going in with the shade that's similar or very close to my skin tone. And I like to put it low right here. So I have it there, and I also have it here. I also want to put it around my nose and a little bit on my chin, down my nose, and a little bit in between my eyebrows. And then I go in with either a concealer or my fingers. I first like to spread it out with my fingers. And then I make sure that I can buff that in, and then I go in the nose. I'm just keeping it and spreading it within where I placed it. I'm not going too far up. A little bit here and on my chin. Now with that, you want to get a damp beauty sponge. Make sure that it's damp and not dry. And all you're going to do is just bounce this. So around the eyes, it's a small place, so I'm just going in with the concealer brush. And then with the other areas, I'm going to go with the beauty sponge. When you use a damp beauty sponge, it blends it in really nicely into the skin. And then I'm just going along the edges of where I spread. And then just going a little bit over it just to pick up excess. Whatever is left, I'll just go and blend it on my face. Okay, now my face is ready for the mineral foundation powder. So I'm going to take the same damp beauty sponge, dip it inside, and I'm just going to press it on my cheeks, on my chin, and my forehead. And then I'm just slowly going to tap this all over my face. Make sure you use the body of the beauty sponge. pick up a little bit more if you need. Really go up to the hairline because you don't want that to just stop right there. You know? Go past your jawline. Make sure you just go a little bit down your neck as well with this. And then take your fingers and kind of blend it into that eyeshadow if you have eyeshadow. And there you have it. Your foundation, your face is flawless. It's one-dimensional though, because after this step, you're gonna go and put bronzer and blush. But for now, we're just gonna stop here because this is how I apply mineral foundation.